Mnangagwa's biggest mistake, the one that history will record as the beginning of his downfall, is a decision to move against General Constantino Chiwenga. Zanapita mashuka rumda panguwa inaitwa na retired Lieutenant General Winston Mabranga. Panguwa ino achizama kuonesa kuti no, the person who strengthened the president of President Emmerson Mnangagwa's VP Constantino Chiwenga and trying to fire him or moving away from him is just leading to his own downfall. Good boy, subscribe or like on the bell icon. Anobra Mabranga Nyurachite, General Chiwenga is not just a man. He is the one who, together with other patriots, stood firm when the revolution was being hijacked. He is the soldier who ensured the transition in 2017 so that the people's will would prevail. To turn against such a comrade, to align him, to strip his influence, or to fire him from key roles is not clever politics. It is an act of supreme folly that will shake the very foundations of the system that brought this administration to power. No leader survives by alienating the very institution and individuals who anchored his rise. The army is not a personal tool to be pegged at will. It is the guardian of the nation's sovereignty, born from the same trenches as the liberation struggle. When you start removing or humiliating those who command respect within the ranks, you invite instability, you create fractures that enemies of Zimbabwe, both internal and external, will exploit. I have warned before about attempts to extend terms against the spirit of the Constitution and the will of the people. Now, this latest folly compounds it. Firing or systematically undermining General Chiwenga will not secure power. It will accelerate its loss. The soldiers remember, the war veterans remember, the people remember who stood where when it mattered most. Do mashuka mdanyo kwa pangwa ina na retired Lieutenant General Winston Mabranga. Pena comment section medu za fungulo enye marundi pa msoro pechi tukwa ichi. So subscribe or like, watch on the bell icon.